Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I sort of have to walk the dog. So yeah, that's, in this 84 degree weather, it's very hot, but just a moment. Look, this is a beetle, a fully grown beetle, and the dog is interested. No, you may not eat the beetle. But I'm not going to make a video on walking the dog, okay? That would be way too boring, right? I'm going to make a video on walking the dog in the woods. Obstacle courses, he's going to have to jump over a few things, and stuff like that. He does need to pee, and he does need to poop. If he doesn't pee and poop in the woods, I guess I'll just go ahead and do a tiny bit of regular path walking. For now, let's go. I sometimes walk him in the woods by myself. My parents never really do, but when I do walk him in the woods, I have a specific trail that I go on. So, let's just go along this way. Benji, hurry, please, hurry up. So yeah, I'm just gonna let him follow me. Benji, what takes you so long to walk? Please hurry. Please, Benji, walk. Good dog. Are you scared to jump over the log? Come on. Good job. Okay, pee. Yes, he's peeing. Okay. Good job. That's a lot of pee. Yeah. Really impressive. Alright, let's go. Now, poop. Please, dog, poop. You have to poop. If you poop before 10 minutes is over, I shall do something fun. But he really just needs to poop. And I have something in my foot already. Whoa! Okay, got it. Alright, Duke. Walk. Walk more. Nature. Nature is all over me. Alright, so this is the course that we take. It goes around here, and hurry up. And pretty soon we get to this really cool part, and it's just really cool with all the flowers. In the springtime, it's really good. But yeah, I'm excited to go over there. And by the way, if you're wondering, I might make a channel called Benji's Channel. And my dog's name is Benji, so I might make a channel for Benji eventually. Yeah, so. Alright, Benji, walk, please. Keep walking. You can't wait. Oh, you're peeing again. Okay, pee. Good job, okay. This way, come. Stop peeing. Stop delaying, really. Okay, listen, I don't care about you sniffing that. Just let's go. Alright, so pretty soon we get to the really cool area. And yeah, the flowers haven't really bloomed because it's sort of a little bit past springtime, but it's still gonna look very good. So voila. Benji, if you don't poop in this area, something's wrong with you. Look at all of this. This is just crazy. This thing scared me. Do you smell poop? Will you poop there? Please? Hello? And a boo-boo. Poop! Poop! Okay, well, while he's sniffing the place, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you a dog joke. What do dogs and trees have in common? AKA, what does this dog and that tree have in common? Not that one, this one. The big fat oak. I can't zoom in because I'm holding a leash on one hand and one hand is the camera. There we go. He is strolling in the meadow. Well, the joke is they both have bark. Dogs bark, trees got bark. You get it? Oh, look. One flower. Benji, do you like this place? Here. Come. Hey, Benji. Come on. Let's go deeper in. Yeah, guys, this is legit so deep over here. Just crazy. Just a second. Let's see. Sometimes he goes into that hole. Benji, come on. Come on. Do you want to go into the hole? Or do you want to go back? Go into the hole? Okay, let's go. So yeah, guys, this is the hole. And he will sometimes jump into there. So come on, Benji. Jump in the hole. Do it, do it, do it. Nope, not interested. Okay. Look at that. That would make a cool doggy obstacle course. If I do make a channel for Benji, that will be on it. Doggy obstacle courses. Alright, come. Okay, Benji, come on. Let's get out of here. My feet have so much pollen on them now. I'm not allergic to pollen, but still. It's annoying on my feet. Alright, well, here comes a little doggy obstacle course over this way. Benji, come. Okay, you want to go over there? What's over there? Anything? Is there anything over there? I smell something. Does she smell something? Poor tree, it's dead. Poop, 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 poop. Okay, there's nothing over there. Come on, this way. That's poison ivy, Benji. Don't go over there, okay? It's going to kill you. Come on. Alright, guys, so going over this way. Look at this. I have no idea why this is here, but it is here, so. It's a thing of the world. Alright, so he has to go over this way and jump up and over that. Good boy! Wow, I've never actually seen him jump that, like that. These plants have grown a lot since the last time I walked them in the woods. Oh, another dog. Okay, he's peeing again. Is there no poop in you, human? I mean, dog, not human. You're a dog, right? Come on, this way. This way, boy. This is not poison ivy, don't worry. Poison ivy has 3 leaves. Okay, well, I can clearly see he is not going to, well, poop in these woods. But I do know a place that he will have to poop in, because he always poops there. So I'm going to go ahead and head over that way. So Benji, we're going to have a little walk over here. He prefers this, I think. I think he definitely prefers this. And I'm also getting better shots of him like this. So perfect. People sometimes poop over this way. So let's just try that. Do you feel, oh, okay. Things are happening here. Okay, come on, you can do it, please. Poop. Poop, you dog. If you poop, I can still have time to do something exciting. Oh, he's smelling somebody else's poop. Okay, I'm not going to let him lick it, but I am going to let him smell it a little bit. Maybe he'll want to. Will you poop here? Benji? Hello? Earth to the dog. Okay, that's somebody else's poop, whatever. Okay, but he definitely will poop here. Ah, geez, don't pee on my leg, whatever you do. Well, he's still peeing, but pooping, I have yet to discover. Okay, he's still going here. Okay, dog, please. It's getting so hot, I'm getting a headache. In the woods, it's okay, but without the shelter of the trees, it's so hot out, guys. It's like 84 degrees outside now. And you know what that means? That means it's time for water parties to be something. Okay, Benji. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. He's already panting. Okay, well, I know where he will definitely poop. Like, no question about it. Go on. Peeing again. Hi, poop. Please. Please. Weird little doggy. Helpless little dog, poop. Now. Well, the guys finally mowed the grass over here. Congratulations. They didn't forget their job. Okay, he poops either here or there. And believe me, I know. Benji, poop. He is panting. He is probably thirsty. Okay, so normally he will poop over this way, but I'm gonna let him do his job over there. Okay, that looked like a move that he would do. Yes, he's pooping. Okay, I won't show that because that's inappropriate. Finally, he pooped. Yay. So what I'm gonna do is put the leash here, put my foot on it, and I'm gonna put the camera down right here because I need to clean that stuff up. Okay, Benji, get closer. Yeah. Okay, let's see. How do you operate this poop bag again? Uh-huh. Nope, not that. This side, yes. Okay, this side. Oh, man. Oh, jeez. Benji, what have you been eating? That smells so bad. Okay, I'm just tying it now. Give me a second. Alright. Okay, guys. Disgusting. Alright, Benji. Come on. This way, boy. I need to hold the camera correctly here. There. Alright. Let's go up this hill. Because why not? Right? Why not go up a hill? It's exercise. This hill's bigger than I thought. Jeez. Wow, a hawk over there. Okay guys, I think you've seen enough. This is basically what happens when I walk the dog. So yeah, probably my next video is going to be a bit more interesting. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next video.